Alright, impromptu video. I was just filming or just canning and filming, and I always make a big mess out of my stove because water boils over and it leaves mess on my stove, and my stoves are really hard to clean because it's one of those old-fashioned white metal gas stoves. So this is a perfect cleaning solution. I'm going to do half a cup baking soda. And then to that, I just mix any kind of cast steel soap. It has to be a cast steel soap. We start out by just adding a little bit, and we'll keep adding until we get like a cake batter. It'll end up being almost half and half, almost half a cup of each. All mixed together good. Alright. Then I do about a quarter of a cup of water just to make it a little bit thinner so that it comes out of the bottle easier. Always foams at the water stage and the next stage we're going to do. Let's get it all mixed good. We want it to be a thinner cake batter. Then we add the secret. Now remember, baking soda and vinegar. So we don't want to add much, but we need the vinegar in the cleaner. It really does make a huge difference. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. And it will foam up big time. And there we have it, a soft cleaning soap for any kind of kitchen cleanup you need. I use it for everything, including on pots and pans. I'm going to get my bottle and start getting this in. We'll be back. Alright, here I just have an old dish soap bottle. And make sure you have a thing that's got a big nozzle, because if it's got too small of a nozzle, it will not drain in there. And I've had to spoonful at a time into a bottle, because I didn't have a big enough funnel with a big enough hole. And that's all there is to it. And then you just squeeze it out onto whatever surface you're cleaning. And you've got yourself a nice soft cleaning cleanser. I will bring you back in a minute and we'll show you how I clean my stove with this. We'll be back. As you can see, old-fashioned white gas stove. It gets dirty so easily. I was just canning. Water drips down, splattering from jams and jellies. All of this from one, well, I suppose it'd be like 3 canning sessions, but one day. So all you do is pour a little bit on. Here I just have a little Brillo pad. Then we get a washcloth and wipe it off. We'll be back. Now all we do is wipe it off. Love how well this works. Hold on, rinse off the washcloth. There we go. Simple, easy, cheap, costs less than $1 to make. It'll last me about a month, half a bottle. Thanks for coming along on this impromptu video and learning how to make your own simple, easy, cheap soap that lasts you a long time. Bye.